In this video, I'll show you how to run an off-cycle payroll in Gusto. First, sign in to your Gusto account and open your company dashboard. From the main menu, go to Payroll. Next, click Run Off-Cycle Payroll or select the option to create an additional payroll outside your regular payroll schedule. Choose the reason for the off-cycle payroll, such as bonuses, commissions, corrections, or final pay. After that, select the employees you want to include, enter their earnings, reimbursements, or deductions, and review any applicable taxes and withholdings. Now, carefully review the payroll summary to make sure all payment amounts and employee details are correct. If everything looks good, approve and submit the off-cycle payroll for processing. Finally, monitor the payroll status from your dashboard and confirm that the payments have been processed successfully. Employees will receive their pay according to the selected payment method and processing timeline. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to run an off-cycle payroll in Gusto. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.